In this tutorial, we will discuss how to construct a minimal sum of product expression from a given truth table. Construct a minimal sum of product expression for the given truth table. In the given truth table, there are three input variables A, B and C, and the output variable is denoted as Z. As there are three variables, there are 2 raised to 3, that is equal to 8 input combinations starting from 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1. So let us fill the 8 cell K-map. For the first input combination 0, 0, 0, Z is equal to 1. So locate the cell whose binary value is 0, 0, 0. Enter 1. Second input combination is A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0 and C is equal to 1. Locate the cell whose binary value is 0, 0, 1. Enter 1 into that cell. Next input combination is A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1 and C is equal to 0. Output Z is equal to 1. Locate the cell whose binary value is 0, 1, 0. Enter 1 into that cell. Next input combination is 0, 1, 1. Output Z is equal to 1. Locate the cell whose binary value is 0, 1, 1. Enter 1 into that cell. In this way, fill remaining cells of the K-map. So this is the completed K-map with all cells filled with ones and zeros. There is only one cell filled with 0. That is the cell with binary value 1, 1, 1. Rest of the cells are filled with logic 1. Here, value of C is same for all cells in this group and C is equal to 0. Therefore, we can write the group equation as C bar. In this group, all the 4 cells have same value for variable A and A is equal to 0. So we can write the group equation as A bar. Here in this group, all cells have same value for variable B and variable B is equal to 0. So we can write the group equation as B bar. So for the entire K-map, we can write the Boolean equation as A bar plus B bar plus C bar. Therefore, minimal SOP expression is Z is equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar. This is how we can verify whether the expression is correct or not. So when input combination is A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 0, A bar is equal to 1, B bar is equal to 1 and C bar is equal to 1. Therefore, A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equal to 1. Similarly, for all the input combinations till 1, 1, 1, output Z is equal to 1. For input combination A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1 and C is equal to 1. A bar is equal to B bar is equal to C bar is equal to 0. Therefore, A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equal to 0. So Z is equal to 0. So for all the input combinations, we can verify that Z is equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar. Thanks for watching Circuits Analytica. Enjoy learning.